Achoo! Achoo!
Wow, that was a huge achoo.
Achoo!
Wow, another big one.
Achoo!
Wow. Hey, what's going on with those lights? Well,
Achoo!
wow, in traffic in the wood. And we're here right in front of a place called Gallery of Tropical Surrealism. Very interesting shop indeed.
Achoo!
Another surreal sneeze. Not sure why all of a sudden I'm sneezing. Driving towards the 369.
Achoo!
Wow. 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 Could something have gotten into my nostrils?
Achoo!
Something could have gotten into my nostrils. Shall we think negative or positive of what that could be? Let's be realistic. As the Buddha would say, and question everything. The Buddha once said, do we know what he said? We fucking don't know. So what the fuck? What are people telling us? Sorry to be a little bit aggressive. Well, sinuses are building and flowing. Well, so shall we just listen to Barry White for a few seconds? Baby, sexy lady. Dollar, baby. Lady.